Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. You are here with Code Purpose with another simple exercise for C++. And today we are going to calculate the distance between 2 points on a surface. Points are given with coordinates x and epsilon. First, we will need 4 parameters, which will be of type double. x1, epsilon 1, x2, and epsilon 2. Now, we will need to input the parameters of the first point. Input the coordinates of the first point. Cn x1 epsilon 1. Now we are going to do the same with the second point. And instead of x1 we have x2. Instead of epsilon 1 we have epsilon 2. Now we will need a new parameter which we will call distance. Double distance is equal to. Now there's a formula about this, and the formula is we will need also the library include CMath. We have SQRT, which is short for square root. Now we have POW, x2 minus x1 2 plus POW epsilon 2 minus epsilon 1 in the power of 2. Now we will just need to print them. Cout the distance between A x1 epsilon 1 and B cout x2 2. Now we will just need to close our bracket and type is and write distance. Now let's check our code. Let's type 5 and 2 and 1 and 4. There you go, guys. This is how we calculate the distance between 2 points on a surface. The distance between point A, 5 and 2, and point B, 1 and 4 is 4.57,214. Leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.